Dear student, this is exercise 1 of your computer science book. Short answer question, 50 words. Question number 1. What do you understand by the term IT and ITES? Mm, uh, Open your notebook and write down the question answer. Part question is, what do you understand by the term IT and ITES? IT. It means creating, managing, storing and exchanging informations. It includes all types of technology used to deal with information such as computer hardware and software technology used for creating, storing and transferring information. ITS. It enables the business by improving the quality of service. Each information technology enables services. ITS. Okay. This is your question number 2. What are the pros and cons of using ICT? The use of computer and information technology can be observed at the home, workplace, in the modern service industries, and in all aspects of our life. It includes listening to music, watching movies, playing games, doing office work, chatting and sending messages, managing daily planner, reading books, paying utility bills, booking ticket to travel, bank operations, etc. What are the four main subsectors that BPM industries? Structure of the IT BPM industries. The organizations within the IT BPM industries are categorized along the following parameters. They are sector the organization is servicing, type as well as range of offering the organizations provides, geographic speed of operations, revenue and size of operation. These are the four subsectors of IT BPM industries. Question number 4. Give examples of use of IT in everyday life. We can store all the informations about our important work, appointment schedules, and list of contacts in the computer. A use of computer and information technology can be observed at home, workplace, in the modern service industries, and in all aspects of our life. It including listening to music, watching movie, playing games, doing office work, chatting and sending messages, managing daily planner, reading books, paying utility bills, booking tickets to travel, bank operations, etc. How is IT used in libraries? Answer is, nowadays many libraries are computerized. Each book has a barcode associated with it. This makes it easier for the library to keep track of books and the availability of a specific book. Computer software is used to issue and return the book. Each book in the library has a magnetic strip attached to it that is deactivated before the book can be borrowed. What are the various processes of education where IT is used? Computers and information technology are extensively used in education for teaching, learning, and assessment. The software and hardware technology is used for creation and transmission of information in various forms, including still picture, audio, video, and animation to the learners. The learning became easy and accessible through IT. A lot of teaching resources are available for teachers to teach in a better way. Question number 7. Which software are used in digital communication? We use computer for email and chatting software like Gmail, Redmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, and Telnet, and video conferencing software like Skype, WhatsApp, Google Meet, etc. Question number 8. For what purpose is IT used in business? A lot of business transactions happen through internet called e-commerce. IT facilitate marketing, customer visit, product browsing, shopping, basket checkout, tax and shopping, receipt and process order. E-commerce offers services pertaining to processing, inventory management, transactions, documentation, presentation, and gathering product information. Question number 9. Which are the prominent area where IT is used in science and engineering? Scientists and engineers are use computer for performing complex scientific calculation, computer-aided design, or computer-aided manufacturing. Applications are used for drawing, designing, and for simulating and testing the design. Computers are used for storing large amount of data, performing complex calculations, and for visualization 3D or three-dimensional object. Complex scientific applications like rocket launching, space exploration, etc. are not possible without the computer. List the various use of IT in a banking system. Computer is an essential part of the modern banking system. Every activity of a bank is now online. The customer's data and transactions are recorded by computer. Recurring deposit or RD, fixed deposit FD, money transfer from one account to another account, NEFT, RTGS, online transactions are done using internet. Capital market transactions, financial analysis, and related services are available in online. Bank customers use automated teller machines for cash deposit and withdrawal or to view current balance. Question number 11. Which are the different areas of healthcare where IT is used and how? Answer. ICT is used in the health sector in numerous ways. Hospital management system is used to maintain and manage patient records as well as various activities pertaining to hospital administrations. The computerized machines are used for ECG, EEG, ultrasound, and CT scan. The variety of measuring instrument and surgical equipments are used to monitor patient conditions during complex surgery. Expert system is used for diagnosis. Healthcare manufacturing companies use computer to add the productions of diagnosis tools and instrument. Computers are an integral part of laboratories and dispensaries. They are used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. The last question is, list any 5 websites of the Indian government which provide IT-enabled services to the people. Okay. Here is the list of 5 Indian websites which provide IT services. First one is udai.gov.in. It provides services related to Aadhaar card. passportindia.gov.in. It provides passport related services. indiapost.gov.in, postal related services. irctc.co.in, Indian Railway. This is the official website of Indian Railways. Here you can book, cancel ticket, view availability of seat, train between routes. You can check the trains between routes, etc. incometaxindia.gov.in for deposit income tax to the government of India. Okay. So these are the question answer of chapter 1. IT and ATS. Okay. Next video I will answer the question of exercise 2. Till then, thank you.